Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to make all photos private on Facebook on iPhone. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Open the Facebook app on your iPhone. On the Facebook page, tap menu. Scroll down, tap privacy and setting. On the setting page, scroll down, tap profile and tagging. Tap on who can post on your profile. Select only me. Tap second option. Select only me. Tap tagging option. Select only me. Tap friend, select only me. Scroll down, turn on review option and second option. Then go back menu page. Tap profile. Tap three dots. Scroll down. Tap view as. This will hide all photos in your Facebook album. Thanks for watching this video.